sign or a signal.
It's time for a trip down memory lane. It can feel good, or it can be heartache and pain. Got a message of love, like it was written for you. And when you feel down, it tells you just what to do. Then the more things change, the more they stay the same. Like the first time you ever discovered that song, performing a trip that lasts so long. Like a time machine taking us back, a song at a time. We're building our soundtrack, building our soundtrack. Those words are speaking to you like an old school friend, and you can't get enough, so you listen again and again. Then the more things change, the more they stay the same. Like the first